Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I am back with a super exciting video. Today I am back with a vlog. I'm just gonna be having a self-care kind of like reset day. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with. Thumbs up if you'd like to see more vlogs like this. Comment below what your plans are for the day currently watching this. Let's just get into the vlog. Really quickly, I actually have a little haul. They're mostly all like skincare. Everything is actually from Walmart. I actually am partnering with them on this video, so thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring. I feel like Walmart literally has everything. Walmart has the stylish brands and trends in fashion. They have the home and beauty items that consumers are looking for. Like, they literally have everything. I feel like you can go to Walmart for whatever you're looking for, and they always have on trend great prices. Some of the brands that I'm about to show you, I didn't even realize like they had. So it's kind of like the best kept secret. Something I love about Walmart is that you can always count on them to have affordable pricing. And I'm gonna have everything linked below so you can shop all these products through the links in my description. So definitely make sure to check them out. I think you guys are really gonna like them. Starting off with skincare, I picked up this Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution from Versed. I feel like this brand is so popular right now. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and pretty much everywhere. I've been really wanting to try their products. It says this is a brightening toner and it targets dark and post-acne spots with 4 exfoliating AHAs. It evens skin tones and refines the look of pores with witch hazel. So it's good for dullness, aging skin, and problem skin. I love a good toner, and anything that is for glow and brightening I love, so I'm very excited to try this out. Next, I picked up another Versed item. This is the Recovery Mode Advanced Night Cream. So I thought this would be really fun. It says this is good to use if you want to soften signs of aging. I didn't realize this was for aging. I guess I didn't look at the what this was for. I just thought night cream would be good. So I'm literally dumb. I am really excited though that Walmart carries Versed products. Next, I picked up these Starface pimple patches. I'm really excited about these because I've actually been wanting these for so long. And with Walmart, you get free 2-day shipping and returns on orders over $35, which is awesome because you can kind of like order a variety of different brands and products to get to that $35. So it just makes it really convenient. So anyways, I finally picked up these. These are basically just like little star-shaped pimple patches, and these ones in particular are super popular. I always see people wearing these. I saw a bunch of girls on the plane wearing these, and I think these are all one color, but you can get like multicolored one. Come in this like little case, and you open it and it looks like this, and a whole bunch of sheets of them. Super excited to try these, and I feel like this will literally last me forever. I believe you can get like refills for this like little case. Next up, this is a product I've actually already purchased before, so it's kind of like a repeat purchase. It is this Billie razor. I absolutely love this, so I just got this hot pink color. I already have one of these. I have the light purple one. I've had it for a couple years now. I love the hot pink and orange, so I just thought I would get a new one because I don't really need a new one, but I just love the colors of this. So this is the Malibu one. This is the starter kit, so it comes with the razor, and then it comes with 2 razor refills, and then it also comes with this magnetic holder for the shower, so you can just put it in the shower. I feel like it gets soggy if it's not on like some kind of holder like this. So I literally love this, and I love the multicolors of this one. There's also some other color options as well if you don't want like the multicolor, if you just want like a light pink or a light blue. If you guys haven't heard of Billie razors, they are the best things ever. Like, you have to check them out. So convenient now that Walmart, I'm so excited that Walmart carries them. They are really affordable. All of their products are under $10, which is crazy. And Walmart is the exclusive retailer of Billie. I just love their products. Like I said, I've been using my other one for like 2 years now, but I actually ran out of the little refills, so I haven't used it as much like recently. I actually just got some of the refills as well, so they just look like this, and I believe this comes with 4 of them. I've been needing to get some of these for so long. The last item I picked up is just this gray jacket. I will link it below. It's just like a nice kind of basic gray jacket, just like a really good essential. It's super soft and it fits really good. Walmart has a lot of really cute clothing pieces. I was looking on their website. They have lots of great basics and cute trendy pieces. I was trying to decide if I should get skincare or clothes, so I got a little bit of each. I believe it comes in some other colors as well, so if you wanted like black or white or blue, definitely recommend. This one's very cozy and just a great piece for springtime. Like I said, I'm gonna have everything linked below so you can shop all the products through links in my description. Definitely make sure to check out Walmart. They have great affordable prices, and they carry so many great brands and trendy fashion pieces. If you guys enjoyed this little haul, I think I'm just gonna get ready for the day, and I'm definitely gonna be using some of these products. bit later. I just got ready for the day, did my hair and makeup. I think I'm just gonna make some avocado toast. I think I'm just going to take some time to kind of get organized, tidy up, do a little bit of cleaning because everything is so messy. I just have stuff everywhere since I've been out of town. Everything is clean and kind of like decluttered. I think I'm just gonna take a quick break from cleaning and get a coffee and maybe some lunch as well. There's a local place that makes these wraps. They're kind of like chicken and pico and guac. They're so good. I've been craving one of these wraps. It just sounds so good. So since I'm kind of having like a self-care day, I thought I would treat myself to one of these wraps. I might run some errands as well because I actually just got a new monstera and I don't really have a pot or anything for it. So I might actually go to a plant store and see if I can find a cute little pot for it. So let's go. I just got to the lunch place. Got my wrap. Here's what it looks like. So good. Wish you guys could taste it. It's like the best thing ever. I feel like sometimes I get stuck in a rut of doing like the same thing every day. Like, don't get me wrong, I love a good routine. So today we are mixing it up, treating ourselves. We're getting a lunch that I don't normally get, but I do really love. I think I might even go to a different coffee shop today. There's a coffee shop by the plant place. It's the plant place like 20 minutes away. So kind of taking myself on a date. I don't normally like going places by myself, but I'm stepping out of my comfort zone today. I'm now on my way to get coffee. I'm gonna try the new place and also I'm just gonna stop at the plant store really quickly and hopefully find a pot for a new monstera. Got my coffee, I got nice and a latte. I'm gonna have to go to this place again. It's really good. Here are the monsteras, stunning queens. Why do I like this little one though? It's like just a little tiny baby one. It doesn't have any fenestrations. It's in this little pot. I just think it's so cute though. Like, it's only $14, which is really isn't too bad. I don't need it, but like, it's so cute. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I really like this little basket for my big monstera. Using this as like a tester plant because the pot is the same size. It's 10 inches. This basket would be good. It's like easy getting out of. It's really good. I'm back home from running errands. I'm actually gonna do a little plant rearranging. I can't remember if I showed you guys, but I did end up getting the little monstera plant. It was just too cute to not get. It's been a pretty relaxing day. Like, I do feel like my life is more together. I do feel like kind of reset and ready to get back into my normal routine. I had a nice day with myself. Here's the final plant arrangement. I kept most everything the same, but I did move around a few things. I moved the new little monstera here on my kitchen table. I moved my snake plant that was on my kitchen table over here. The monstera that was my room, I just set right here, and I actually took it off the plant stand because it's getting kind of tall. So I just set it on the floor. I don't know if this looks weird, so please let me know in the comments below if you guys think this looks okay. I just kept this where it is because I feel like this looks really nice here. I might combine this monstera with that monstera and make like one big monstera plant, like repotting them, like combining them, if that makes sense. The big reveal, this is the new monstera, which like literally so many monsteras. This is the new one. Tanner actually gave this to me. I don't know if I said that already, but my sister's boyfriend Tanner gave this to me. He has a plant Instagram account. Definitely check it out. I'll put it here on the screen. It's Plants by Tanner. Many great plant tips. So if you have plants, even if you're a beginner or if you are experienced, he has like rare plants or just just really good plant tips if you are starting out. So definitely check out his account. He's actually kind of decluttering his plant collection and gave this to me, so thank you so much, Tanner. This is so beautiful, and I've been wanting a bigger monstera. That's why I was thinking about combining the two. This is so stunning, and I think it looks really nice in this little basket. I thought this would look kind of nice. My other one was getting kind of tall, so it was kind of bumping into my bags. That's it for the plants. I just wanted to show you the new ones I picked up, as well as just kind of like where I put them. So now I think I'm just gonna do a little bit more cleaning. The kitchen, living room, and bathroom is still kind of a mess. I've just been cleaning. My kitchen looks so good. It was really messy. Like, I literally just had stuff everywhere. I feel like when my space is clean, I just feel like fresh and motivated. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm pretty much not gonna do anything the rest of the night. I really hope you guys enjoyed and this motivated you to have kind of like a self-care day. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog, and definitely make sure to check out Walmart. I'm gonna have everything linked below in the description so you can shop these products through the links in my description. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below your favorite plant if you guys are into plants, or just comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.